first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 1, Day 2. Okay, listen carefully as I say a word. At. What is the first sound in at? Ah, that's right. The word at has the ah sound at the beginning. We're going to be practicing listening for the first sound. So, as. What's the first sound in as? That's right, it's ah. Okay, I'm going to say more words. Tell me the first sound you hear. I'll give you 3 seconds. As, ah, am, ah. The first sound is ah. Up, the first sound is sit, jump, j. The first sound is j. Mad. The first sound is axe. The first sound is an. Big. B. Last one. Not. Okay, friends, this week we are practicing making words using the ah sound. And this is the apple card, and here are some sounds that have the ah, words that have ah in it. An and sad. Okay, so once again, this is the apple card. Let me move this over just a little bit. I don't know why it's not centered for you. Okay, here we go. Turn your voices on. We're going to blend. Sat. Word, sat. Mat. Word, mat. Can't blend yet. We know it's k. Can. Word, can. B. Can't blend yet. Bag. Word, bag. Okay, these are sounds that we have learned, so we're going to do these quickly. 3, 2, 1. Ah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ah. 3, 2, 1. D. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going to be putting sounds together to make words using ah. Begin. Ready? Begin. Word, am. Can't blend yet. Cap. Word, cap. Man. Word, man. Can't blend yet. Pan. Word, pan. Ram. Word, ram. Nap. Word, nap. Ran. Rat. Word, rat. Sad. Word, sad. Can't blend yet. Has. Now, technically this would have been has, but we know it's a z sound. Okay. Can't blend yet. Tap. Word, tap. Okay, I'm going to let you do this one on your own. Can't blend yet. Now blend. Word, pat. Okay, so we're going to do a little game where we're going to be changing sounds in a word to make a new word. So what is this word? Let's blend it. Nap. What's the word? Nap. Now change the to t. Tap. Change the p. So tap. P. Change the p to tan. Change the t to man. Change the to p. Pan. Change the pan. Change the to t. Pat. Change the p to rat. Change the t to ram. Get rid of the am. Change the to t. At. Put a at the beginning. Put it together. Mat. Change the to sat. Change the t to p. Sap. Okay, friends, nice job. So, let's look at this. Today we're learning about adding an S to the end of words. So we add an S to an action word when it follows a naming word that names people or things, like he, she, or it. So, this word is tap. I tap. I'm not going to add an S, but if I say he taps, then I add the S, or she taps, or it taps. Okay, so let's look at an example. I tap my pencil. There's no S here. I'm talking about me. He taps his, he taps his pencil. Okay, so listen for that at the end. So this time we have tag. So maybe you, or you could do like tags that you're writing. So this is tag. Now let's add the S. Listen, tags. So sometimes the S sounds like a Z, as in has. Okay, so this is tag, and now it's tags. Okay, blend. Pat. What am I going to add? Pats. There's he pats, she pats, or it pats. So pats. Okay, I nap. Okay, how can we make it he, she, or it? Add the S, naps. Okay, wag. So you could say I wag, or but if you say he or she, you have to add something at the end. Wags. There we go. Okay, this one is pack. Okay, so if I say I pack the bag. But let's say I say she packs. She packs the bag. If it's she, he, or it, we add the S to the action word. Okay, I pat. So this is my action, pat. I pat. Then if I say he pats. She pats. Or it pats. Okay, here is our story for today. Let's blend. Pam can see. Your turn. Nice job. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. So I almost said too, but it's because we're reading it in a sentence. 3, 2, 1. Can. 3, 2, 1. See. 3, 2, 1. The. 3, 2, 1. I. Okay, let's read our story. Here we go. Pam can see. Your turn. Okay, here we go. Pam can see a pot. Your turn. Pam can see a potato. Your turn. Okay, my turn. Pam, do it with me. Pam can see a cup. Your turn. Okay, next. Pam can see the soup. Your turn. Pam can see the people. Your turn. Nice job. Okay, here are our high frequency words. Okay, this word is does. Read the word with me. Does. The word does is spelled D-O-E-S. Spell it with me. D-O-E-S. Let's write it in the air. D-O-E-S. And then the sentence says, Max does his homework every day. This is the word not. Read it with me. Not. The word not is spelled N-O-T. Spell it with me. N-O-T. Let's write the word in the air. N-O-T. Do not run at school. Okay. This is the word school. Read it with me. School. The word school is spelled S-C-H-O-O-L. Spell it with me. S-C-H-O-O-L. Let's write it in the air. S-C-H-O-O-L. We read a lot in school. This is the word what. Read the word with me. What. The word what is spelled W-H-A-T. Spell the word with me. W-H-A-T. Let's write it in the air. W-H-A-T. What can we play today? Okay. I guess this is one of our words, so I'll just tell you. This is the word helps. What's the word? Oh, helps. Let's spell it. I'll spell it first. Helps is spelled H-E-L-P-S. Let's spell the word. H-E-L-P-S. Let's write it. H-E-L-P-S. Nice job. Okay, this is our last part for today. This is called grammar. And grammar is how we write English. And how words work together. So let's work on this. Max ran to the cat. Do these sentences tell the whole idea? So sentences have to tell you who and what. So who are we talking about here? We're talking about Max. And what is he doing? Running to the cat. Okay, that does tell a whole idea. Okay, let's read another one. The van can go. It has to tell me who and what it's doing. So who are we talking about? The van. And what can the van do? It can go. So this is a full thought. Okay, let's read this one. Pam has a pal. A pal is a friend. Okay, we need to know who we're talking about and what they're doing. Who are we talking about? That's right, we're talking about Pam. And she has a pal. Okay, so that's a full sentence. Okay, let's read this sentence. A map. Well, first of all, there's no end mark, so I'm not really finished. Second of all, who are we talking about? Or what? I guess we're talking about a map. But do we know what they're doing? No. So this is not a full sentence. I only know part of your idea. You have to write about who it's about or what and what they're doing. Okay, friends, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.